to meet you again.
Hey, Camry, it's nice to meet you again.
And it's also nice to talk to you again.
Yes, hi friends. This is Jack and we are excited to talk to you today. Camry is the name he has given to our camera that is recording us right now. And we are going to talk about our first week with our au pair. So I told you that we had decided to get an au pair to take care of Jack and our sweet little baby Branham, who is 5 months old. And we have had her for 1 week now. And we are we enjoying it, Jack?
Yes, but I gotta tell Camry something.
Tell Camry. What do you want to tell Camry?
When I come upstairs for donuts.
Donuts? We don't have any donuts.
But we can make
We can make some donuts. Okay, well, let's record this video first, okay?
But I wonder if Camry would want to eat some.
Maybe. So, do you, Camera, want to eat some? What about you, friends? You want some donuts? So,
Yum, yum, yum. Yours!
I'm Katie Huey Harrison, founder and editor-in-chief of Undefining Motherhood. We're an educational site and community equipping you with the knowledge and information you need to do this mom thing your way. And we're going to do a just quick, simple, easy video updating you because we know that having an au pair is a really unique, exciting possibility for different families. We had no idea what we were getting into, but so far it's been a great week, and I'm just going to give you a few quick tips and let Jack tell you anything he wants to about it. So,
Ice cream!
Ice cream.
Time for donut ice cream!
Silly boy. Tip number 1. Can you hold up one finger? Find au pair friends for your au pair.
Au pair friends!
And the more you can have contact information for, the better before they come. So when our au pair got here from Spain, she definitely has battled just a little bit of homesickness. Not too bad, but enough that being able to connect with other au pairs has been huge for her. She's done that through the au pair agency, but I am finding myself wishing that I had done a little bit more work to find other families who had au pairs, because there are tons of them in Atlanta where we live, and to have been able to connect her during this first week. Tip number 2, find out in advance what your au pair is used to in terms of meal types. And I'm not talking what food do they like, because we had done this. We'd had a lot of conversations about what food they like. But what I was not prepared for was that she was used to big breakfasts, medium lunches, and small dinners, while we're used to small breakfasts, medium lunches, and big dinners. And it's the reverse. And so what actually happened was that on like her third or fourth night here, her stomach got really upset because we were serving her these big rich dinners and she was used to so much less. Now, upset stomach when you're traveling is pretty common anyway. But what do you say to this, George? George says it's pretty common when you're traveling, but had we known
George can't talk like that. He only says George.
Oh, okay. George can't talk. Sorry. Had we known to do simpler dinners, that would have been really helpful. So I think knowing just those types of very basic customs for where your au pair is from can really, really come in handy. Hey, Jack, will you tell Camry what it's been like having Maria here for this week?
George wants to land in that chair.
Are you having fun with Maria?
Let me try again.
Okay. We're not going to get anything useful out of Jack. Number 3, really be clear about hours that your au pair is going to be working in that first week. This is not something that I did. Everything I'm telling you is because it's a mistake I made, and everything has still been wonderful and smooth. So I'm really thankful and lucky in that way. I had made a schedule for her for generic, but I had not yet given her like a day to day. And what I kind of discovered was that she felt like she needed to ask me, even when she wasn't working, hey, can I go take a shower? Do I need to do this? And I wish it had been a little bit clearer to her. No, you're off now. You're not working now, Jack. And so that she would have been a little more comfortable with when she had her time. And tip number 4 for that first week is think about the time change and what that's going to mean for communicating with her family.
Want to do some paint?
Yes, you can do some painting.
Wanna paint with your hands, Camry?
that's my other big tip. Find out what the time difference is like. You should know this pretty easily. And is it going to be an issue? So a lot of au pairs in Atlanta are from South America, where there's only maybe an hour time difference, in some cases 2 or 3 hours. So it's a little bit easier for au pairs to get to talk to their family at home. But because mine is from Spain, we have a 6-hour time difference, meaning when I let her off at 5 p.m., everyone at home is either asleep or, in our case, they have stayed up to get to talk to her. So if I had this week to do over again, one thing I would do is I would build in a lunch break for her or a later start to her day, so that she would have been able to mitigate any potential homesickness a little bit by talking to her family and her friends a little bit more easily. Now, all that said, it's been a really great first week. Having someone to help with the kids who is just a delightful personality. This holds my phone. Has been really great. She's so sweet, she's so kind, she's so loving, and we're having an amazing time learning more Spanish, learning more about her culture. That's a camera cover. And teaching her about ours. So I fully recommend it so far. I'll keep you posted more throughout the journey. If I had done those things differently, I feel like she would have had an even better experience with her first week here. Okay. I am going to tell you all about our au pair journey, sometimes with this little nut in video acting crazy because that's what we got to do, and sometimes not. So if you are interested in hearing more about this experience, the practicalities, the details, what it's like, and also hopefully we'll talk to our actual au pair as well at some point in the future, don't forget to subscribe below.
We love you.
Yes.
Babies, make sure to love this video.
Make sure to love this video, Jack says. Subscribe to our channel, follow along with our au pair journey because this is new and different for us and we are super excited. Shoot me your questions about having an au pair in the comments so that I can make more content that's going to serve you. And as Jack said, like this video, thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.